Okyenehene on Kwame Nsani. Asasia Ensan. Abusumi Ensan. Eso wodu a mo twa ye mo hia mo sani. Nana no mo die nie. Mo twiri na mo megitrada. Asachi ni asini yensa mambo. Mo meginsa no. Na mo nya ye church drapa. Ina na kwamba wosani. Ina na ye je wosani. Na kwa se brameginsa no. Kusi brameginsa no. Aposa bepio so wosani. Seven frame and you need yakwa wasan, and wording, yansa, anyone. You get here, my son in Chemay, Mommy Center, said you were body in my money, Mommy any friend, Mommy soon see, Mommy where you we said you be a 7 from soon in Chem. Yeah, can and for not your near boy. Obi obedi and watch your bonnet yet, and I'm a say, some infants and was your poor. Yeah, and I can money and money.
Yeah, I was for me church. I had the reason so, and minimum Bobby Dim Kobi, Eddie Afa, and spending some beer or wha, a beer somebody yen away. Na, there be a best chance here for me say, you are Sambia and your casse. Yana na Kwame Nkrumah. Die obeye no ne papa oye no ene ne diema oye no oye bibi editia ya mamre ne amane ana se ahini ana fi se ebra no nyina no ya ne nipa bi wa adwene pose asa asantefo mpe Nkrumah asem eye no kre. This is the time where we need to ask these critical questions and do analysis. Now me do wakwa achim abu akwa himfi amotia ofurpani eye achim abu akwa mahene na pia na de atia ne se ebre bi so etie na chimobọ kwa hima hene bi eka asem bi mebo amwati na asema ye bisa ne se so no kura ne se ye na Kwame Nkrumah panisi konso ne bo ahina oye bibi de tia mamre ne amane ana ne kasika ne se so na Asantefo mpe Nkrumah asem ana na Asantefo empe Nkrumah nkankwa ana Nkrumah mom na ye bibidi ti Asante. Hear me this. This is a reason show. Now, logically, wo penny when you fi unim hum penny nsem bia mamento wonka okon was a link up. Pow. Now, no kra say me be chiro video bi ho. Na ya hwe. The bread you say yes ye for kwan bia so na any hidden secret about historical factor enipa bia distorting on. We will have to put the light on it. Now, me do bakwa achimobu akwa. Ebrebi achimobu akwa mahene bi ka asem bi. Wonim no ame bo video na no abodi dia to ase o. The comment section is for you to express yourself. Now, this is the time for us to know say every history nipa bia distorting no anasa asem bi e wo bia na ye beka visa. Eniemo bebre na Nkrumah be ye na ne nyina echi ye misa say ukwa achimobu akwa asem bi wo ho. Oba Asante asem ho. So, ye na Kwame Nkrumah na ye bibidi tia amamre ne amane anase edidija bi anase chese wo disappointed enipa bi ana yenko na yentie sam asem we ye Bible to us.
Can you tell me what it is that Dr. Nkrumah's government has against you?
Well, I really don't know. I've done practically nothing against the government, and it was a shock and surprise to me and my state for announcing that my statutory recognition has been revoked.
Can you tell me what legal authority you still possess as a paramount chief?
Well, from time memorial, I exercise all powers in deciding minor criminal cases, land cases, and other party complaints.
Nana, do you feel that the traditional chieftaincies can survive for very long alongside modern parliamentary institutions?
Certainly. Parliamentary democracy and monarchy are not opposed. Some of the oldest and best democracy in Europe governed by monarchy.
What do you think of Dr. Nkrumah's government?
Well, I cannot say. Because before seeing anything of the sort, I must first consult my counsel.
Can you explain why it was that in your area, the majority of the people voted for Dr. Nkrumah's party?
Yes, the election was not done on traditional lines. It was on a party system, so it does not concern the traditional authorities. Whether the people voted majority for Nkrumah, it does not concern me at all.
Thank you, Nana, very much.
That mentioned, I'm very grateful to you.
Right. Eti achimo buakwa nana ehene a wa free wanya no baby call. Ebre bi dui asem o kan yini. Utimi se wo hene ne kasa no eyawde bi wonu mu esim se Kwame Nkrumah ya ayi bibia tia no. Fize wo so wo ka osiso se Nkrumah astrepena ne legal status in the country as a chief. Nkrumah bia yi in position nyema bia free so eti wodi ho yaw. Nanu na ho behia say today we must find out. Ede na Nkrumah ye ya wodi bu amamre ne anmani animu as enim tia. Oye bibisa. No kura say in order for you to achieve any aim to be a leader, there must be a strategy. Some of them you be quite me so Machiavellian tactics, divide the root system, the Marxist theory. Now, ede na ebema Nkrumah aye say obe yi wo hini bi position ni ansa ni obegye nima bi di ato nchen an abrofo nima bebre eti eno na ho behia say any historical distortion bi anipa bi aye no we must to find out na ye pese ye hunu say ye na Kwame Nkrumah ye bibia wode bubu ahini ani agu fom ana e wo Ghana eye no kore na de ne siye afei oba Asanteman mu a eye no kore se na Asantefo empe Nkrumah asem eye no kore se Nkrumah pay independence na Asante mpeni hiyo eye no kore mekere wade bi me do be ko video bi mu na ya hwe we want to find out what penny wani afi woni Nkrumah abakosem ene achimogbu akwa eye no kore se na achimogbu akwafo epeso omote omukuro nko na omumpe Nkrumah sa na tie me do ba be wuram just is a reason so the comment section is for you ya no drop or comments now Wahini ya some kind during the 1960s comings out. Atumo boko hina some kind ye wuni dia no atwa to ase ho. Ye di nkomo. Asemo kind ye no. Yanko today eye I want to aso wonti today me do ko atumo boko ahemfie. Ye nana a wote akonya sese ai. Amwote ya oforipani atumo boko amanhene waka asem in reference ti asemo kind no ase na ye nto aso.
Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Osia himfu. Osia asire musika nyina meji akonkran. Ma ko siesie. Na ye fefefe. Ne wia. Ye di mputu Abraham Brazil. Kenya benfie do suni. Mai. Enti asese yesesam. Maka. Se the bro na kai memresi. Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Osia himfu. Osia asire musika nyina meji akonkran. Ma ko siesie. Na ye fefefe. Ne wia. Ye di mputu Abraham Brazil. Kenya benfie do suni. Mai. Enti asese yesesam. Maka. The centrality of governance is outdated. We need to decentralize this country.
Okay. It is out here. Yena na wati ade so oforu amwatia oforpani asmo kan ye na de kotote ne nana waba atwam mfia biosia mu ho no nso asmo kan afa Nkrumah ho a me busa se so Nkrumah eye bibi editi ahini ana eye question ye bisa wo and it's about time we need to find out se mpani si de okonsuo de bo ahina Nkrumah ye niemo bebre ye nana ye niemo bebre na ye pese ye hunu so eye no kure se de na ye nana yi kan Nkrumah be dada ahiniye Nkrumah be dwiri ahiniye gu fom ana every say me no kan say no this is the time ye be hyase me do ba ko ofin so me kwa kofa asem bi afri ofin so de abrew anhwe duru abe David yesu ade now utie asema ye na nan kan ye Sen Nkrumah bedada wonum ji wo modapade de konkran ye beba ne ya na sa hwire basa awurade now ye ba bebisa Nkrumah de no ye ya wodi bubu ahini egu fom so wo ye eye no kre the next video me be kire no obetie na salsemin me kofa opani bi a wono ye CPP ni wo ye Nkrumah inst na wono so beka asem bi acho na mabusa wo se asem bi a da ho a nei enipa bi ka se asantefo ne mpe Nkrumah asem no eye no kre na Nkrumah be gina ne na so no hwan na support no bese wa utie wasom na watimi agege by your own self now yanko opani oye CPP ni oye Nkrumah inst Nkrumah mo jani wonu wo be ka asem bi if truly say a historical factor wa wani afi a wodim sa mpani nsem no mami hu no comment section yenhwe e de ne Nkrumah ye if you say the woman say in order to lead or to rule there are two strategies onipa use no wiase either to in order to conquer no there is a soft power conquer and ye war by mighty face conquer ti kane no so hwe a asantefo empire no mo de akon ahoden eba ntokwa yombedi so hey America for ye the same time Britain for ye the same time but there are some people they use something called soft power policy no they touch the base against the top and they will overturn you, they overtake you. So, eno bi na Nkrumah yusu ya na openi we CPP ni obekira semo. Watch it. Drop your comments. Yes, ya dey visit this afi na sha series na ye ba be no. We want to find out. Edie na Nkrumah ye ya wodi ti ya hini ampa wo ye bibi ana wanye ana na na nempe Nkrumah asem ye no kore. Ti asem bi o ba be ka no ha e fa Asante na ye nchirim kuto asoma ye.
So they want to talk about broader, anyone trim and a downqua apropos to the name of Ghana Noa Yebefrano Asanteman. That independent country will be called Asanteman. And I'm a kind of professor, Ajimam Dia, podcast and professor, Mekano Casameboa. So I get to Asanteman. So that was the name and Jabidanko proposed Asanteman so Asante for Mayede and count. Do you know his only reason? Achimini Asante nka na Asante sondodo omuba mupe omudu woni pa bebre babanti aba duafu omu a akano e was scholars bebre yemhwe ni amo wondi ewom sabe mpepefo nim nyansa me ameka why na free papa wait monti the smaller the better. Kwame Nkrumah ba epe one free America medical cancer. It is a country made up of 50 states, 50 countries. Into that small, Gold Coast, ne shaman on the whole of Africa. Into Tamwa, you don't know etnas or buy so £100 or baby do you no cast on money £25. No see there be almost suspended. No bet to my juma without money. No buy any one who say. O many in epefa ngudi enti so hia hemfo no no omu kasa no omu cheniska omu sama na aduane ni nsuo enti no sika no podi afa de onhia £100 bi tomato so about £25 no sika no onhia na baby obako bia ahemfo no heli no emaniska to no bottom ti ane emaniska for car nti se yamfa car na nka ho a enye hwe so they were happy. Within 4 months, Kwame Nkrumah had organized 500 branches throughout the country, from 2 to 500. Are you kidding me? I'm telling you the truth. And
now, Semikato said there's a strategy called soft power policy. Now, soft power, obi use soft power now. Be an independent nim to mighty force no. It is also what you say. Be not working. Remember, Nkrumah bet me out and connected the base no. As we use strategy. Now, strategy no base no. But cultural say. Anytime be I won't say, baby a success will be an it must be a sacrifice. Now, yen to us in Inti was he.
Okoko Pia Asanteman, or I'm here saying in middle. Okoko Pia Asanteman. Papa, the urban and my panacho, am I 10 minutes? And you come. Kopia Asanteman. I know ne prempe the second or two for a kasa about in the vision. No, so until UGCC airpay, Fangudia Moma, where you know a young country. What was a mebuano? Shabik says, and I could afford you one phone in the Aguya Ubon says, Reminibia and Kamu. Ubon says, Ewenibia and Kamu. Ubon says, Santinibia and Kamu. Nasamno Masantifana, Akosku, Vito, Usuniara, and Ponsa. Unipana Akosku, Ewaho, and the Jantua brothers. Na ewe dear omakrati for untumen kind idea asa. They mess you said they would avoid all these people. Inti time wo ko hu wasa otumfo no na ne kasa ye no.
and no tomb for catcher and say, Winham, the most powerful youth association in Ghana, and only Asante Youth Association, Krobodise, Franklin, Dubo Bijantua, Kwame Poku Jantua, and Fanny say, Vito Wusu, Araram Ponsa, the woman in a mount.
It's for Madonna, Papa, on Shabukumu, on Shabukuno Casano. Papa, it's you.
Mid woman in a baby wechi, and then I nam so ma Kwame Nkrumah, at a yibe kubi within CPP, Organization of Youth Associations. I will your friend say, CPP no are very powerful. Internet within UGCC, no are very powerful. Now, or share say independent struggle no ye slow, no ye general.
Right. One said the opening anoche our young Nkrumah East. Walking a historical factor. Me use me words carefully. A factor. One, it tells you say, and some year yet say, Asante form pen Nkrumah 7 a yanokra na say yanokre. Two, Assembly yan yet to say, Asante, we Asante Fuma enye ye no yanokra na say yanokre. Dear Tosubu, it yanokre say, the Kwame Nkrumah Foundation, Nina Ho Dinano. He was the master architect of Asantehene, Nana Prempe II. And until we designate the Asante force as Abren in the country, Patriot the Okano. Say, the Okan historical factor, natural say, as of those time, the force were now the strongest union, the youth union, the Asante Union. It's no cressa. It's natural say, na Asante for town Nkrumah, na Asante for person Nkrumah independence. Iti na ye historical distortion yana. Now, Yaman to us, Makatro say a tree without a root cannot be a tree, and you can easily to fall down. Now, TNE, a history, Mpenin 7 and PCT, Yantuaso, or a CPP ni Yantuaso.
Nundru babyano. No, meeting crowd mobi a ye nejuma. And on ne and Kyebihene bi from Osu ni Kwabena a question who say make a say you just yamini penny come about a bay announcement on this day. Yeah, strike. So being Wabato Brunia there. Why Nkrumah was elected to a socialist. Instead of using the intelligentsia, academicians for his program, he wanted to use the downtrodden, the masses. No man, you could not bonity as I say. Poor people na dear pa. De be omu shops. See can you shop talk any shopping? Because Boka Cotana Bridge into one shop or Rabba Conso Muhammad to non cobians. A year for them shops, a year lively. Tell them that tell the whole country nobody is going to buy anything. And then a boycott, which was so successful. Boycott of European goods. We no. Next year, say a real.
Okay. I have said no. Sa soft power strength na Nkrumah nya why they were touching the base. So what ya Domahene no bi busa say Nkrumah strategy ni bi na wo play no. Bi say so we ni mighty festa who use soft power policy. Ebi na China for use CCA. Now, so what say Domahene Ajimabadu or call Roglasie to know why you want socialist style. Na me kwahye we mwachi yenka se wahini we di oso what offer pray me die minisika ma t-shirt bi me ne mo bobo ma ye me hu fin se die mo ye hu fin on say your friend is soft power policy. It question is say enu bi Nkrumah strategy we na Nana Domahene use say o play say what debate me a level Asante na a question. Check it out. Now, based on this historical history and answer factor and answer event yenya anoche walking where you see people ni Nkrumah use sa software strategy no di touchy base no e mo rise tie de make at say baby ankunimide obi a no eni pa bi moja hwegu ansa no be leader no e bi bewu tie ade ekosi ye
There was don't worry, mini amaye. Okwanenam Jamestown puano one. Before I do Omuko Second World War, Omuaba, Omunya Jumanye, Wakodi from 1939 to 45. Biba no, Neireka say, Wu into a water for floor. And the amount for more our war, 2 besides a Wukun house and others say, maybe himself, my tamlins of phone, the one, what to my ring, and one by Omuma, Minuma, who would ne ade, I will war. And I brought from some Mawan as Gracia and gratitude to be a Tomoko Quatinam Puanoa, Umbanumisano Mususa, and Uncle said, there's a power. These people can help us to win independence. Now, yes, sir, on another for a Kweje, Echo Catcher one say, Omu free Britain, Eban, near to a British for na ekọ ku ni bi as gracia moya ntua mu bi nti debt say me ne Britain ayina kasa amrado akasa colonial governor ya kasa monkwasa mo de mo petition kwasha ne nsem obi a stop mama mu ntie mu me enko Kwame ashada onimese omu kwa ye be stop won basabasa yo ebeba Kwame dika organization throughout the country say that.
Wow. So intentionally, when somebody want to be a leader, I mean, so be that nipa no, so be try to achire womo. Just say, "Adi biasa we be in your soft power way to convince the base for them to rise and against the top." No, you have to do it. Question is say, "Eno bi na do mahini ye ya na." Check it out. Now, fantastically, intelligently, Yana na Kwame Nkrumah, based on this event. Yenya ye catcher na say demonstration ya wo ye kire ye say in the sea during Nkrumah's era no say ye no kra natural say Nkrumah was in fact natural say woni nyansa papa na woni nyansa no wodi no no wo ba de ba bidi onipa anim nti san stade wo ye say ye sade a ene ne nkofo betima replicate sade no wo ye no vi say o ko nipa achi amoma sori atia the existing forces. Now, young Queen.
24 February 1948, Mobati riots biya Osu crossroad one. Mulutu abrafone shops in ina ebe piese kandita kwa di Cape Coast Kumase Sunyane Tamale no na defa hudi bebre. It worked to perfection. Enti abrafone started here investigating and the che 6 of the leaders of the UGCC. Awuno Williams ejane Nanka Bruce ejane RS Blay ejane pa grant no kwa brichiri enti wo mu ayenya wo mu no mu ye 5 ana William Oforiata Pawudi ochira de wa chima Buakwa State College oba akra wate se riot ne pempanyimfo na chonto be ka kire no wo fa se baby owo bia wonwane Abedru fie ho no na abrofo no kire no e ka ho nti ono de UGCC mpo na won ka ho wonim bibia ho hwe enne na kofo kreti Ghana sika ade nkofo bi ato so se the big sis enti san krofo nsia na ye chi wo mu no eno na newspaper caption big sis leaders of UGCC arrested na no nkyere se William Oforiata pe fa ahudie eno nkyere se dankwa no pe fa ahudie and indeed abro mu police station o mu kwatro mu caution statement no and o mu te secret ni se ye Kwame Nkrumah na kompo ano ho eko ye masa trouble we nyina eba he nti nipa 5 ni nyina including Nkrumah downfall akoaje one no kompo ano ho na akoaje ma nipa baako soja ni baako butu sei ana ono ekache Nkrumah so onfa ne handwriting entro no no na ye lawyer nti obedictate wise ne ye de bekwa kwaye petition no suro nti ono so kwa support 5 no na nam se Kwame Nkrumah ne handwriting na wo original paper no so no o mu retrieve ya na cha so ye ne ho hwe ya enye yi ana o sanje tu mu se wo mu aka ni nyina ni panu no mu pefa ahodie me pefa ahodie say you know nya efa ne say Sergeant Ajete Atipo ane Lamtenku ane wuye 20 other people were killed na say omanyi moja ni 23 ahwe nipa moja 23 ahwe na mmeme so na me san be yi me ho afiri mu dabi sa moja na esa faso eba so me pefa ahudi ama oman no nti wo mu aka ne ye wo mu ko prison wo Kumase na Kwame Nkrumah ya isolate na de ne ko Tamale na tamu Awasin Commission can say yenyai wo mu nyina no na Nkrumah eba no atare ba ko pe na ahya ne be 3 months na siremini wo hini bi de ne branch ni fie e ka say beji batakari hya na atare we aye findodo sa batakari no ba aye no disie ye eno no di declare independence for Ghana no now 19 mutuality ye ni me 1950 na Kwame Nkrumah say yeah another trouble be positive action say yamfa fa ahudie amaye a one year you want us into a biara mamo bia nkwadwuma kosi mra ye benya ye fa ahudie meanwhile no na Asantefo na be di na chi ninti no wanya power amotumi break away from the UGCC.
Right. So question is ti asem na waka no Kwame Nkrumah ho odi nyina no ne gina hen egina Asanteman based on the historical account no de ma me ne wusisi ya no me so CPP ni o penny when you fi unim Ghana penny sema the work no enya no kra the comment section is for you link up na ma me hunu now se account ya odi ma real na ye right there. Now, so it tells you say Kwame Nkrumah who odi kase yen nyina no efri hin Asanteman. For Nkrumah to break away from the UGCC and to now say why na just say forming another a force called CPP. Natural say Nkrumah ahoɔden ene efri Asanteman enokre na eye day ena afedie Asantefo na mpen Nkrumah asem eye day ena Nkrumah pay independent na Asantefo nta na chi now tie account bi osade be ma na yento aso fi ase.
And Tisanke, they offered him £100 to go back to UK to continue his studies, PhD. Ombetuanika no abe hadwene wo man we mu ana orifisi ye and Asante ne prempe the second amwe was akufado mo obi din no obo evense Kyebihene dankwadi prempe the second no soma Jantua brothers no akoka chen so onhwe ye na frɛ no mo afra no kɔ salt pond no times bi on beka no wan fa nya adwuma na so te ne ho no a oboboa no ma na ba be ye o mampanini.
Right, tie ni pa tie ni historical account ya yenua professor lawyer Anochi ede mayenom tie ha aha no to se de o se Kwame Nkrumah yes wo no mu kohyia wo salt pond no hwan na ibu ni di wa se Asantehene na adwuma prempe a wotoso mi no ene soma Jantua brothers say monka nkyere Nkrumah say omanani na ho ade we mu onye na emu metanachi Santeman begina nachi amana tere ho ate CPP party bacho ntina yana na no mota Nkrumah ho ti how Ghana no bacho based on this account obobidin why input na ye mo won Nkrumah na motuo from day one from say wo ye na dwen say obefiri UGCC wo mo kofa ne baaye no a group of people be pa ne town Nkrumah achi echan Asante question na mebusa wo na eye day na afia beduru ba bi say na Asante fo mpe Nkrumah asem ana Nkrumah ne disappoint Asante fo ana the comment section is for you ana Nkrumah ye bibia wo yeso de bebubu Asante fo apre ana the comment section is for you ana Nkrumah ye bibia no person de bubu traditional systems down obe collapse na we want to know, and this is the time that we will find out. They say from here to Achimo Buakwa, womu exceptional, womu issues with Nkrumah. No kre. Say Nkrumah to ahimfubi, Nkrumah breaking the traditional systems and one fear, Nkrumah be trying to say we come one fear no. A dear ne de ba ye, a dear ntia. 1951, bron champion a year den ba ye. Ansana yekonya bron afo 1959. Eye den tie no kre so Nkrumah disappointed Asantefo ana we will find out. This is a reason show. Comment section mamintio
Enti Nkrumah te no ho CPP ne yakoto aba 1951 Nkrumah she prison no standing as parliamentary candidate for Accra Central.
Right, we part 1. Now the question is say, was it true say na Asantefo don't want Nkrumah to get independence for Ghana na tie me comment section mamintio de atosu bi o no kwese na Asantefo mpe Nkrumah asem said ye enipa bia distort history bi wa bonten na mo mpe Ghana kura yie na mo mpese Ghana no kure based on this account from this CPP man or a lawyer or experience Nkrumah mo ja wo no mu na ono account wa de ma ye wow different different issue no mamento nka e wo comment section now utie accounts wa de ma ye ya me do bako kotoko ahemfie ti asem bi o kotoko kan na mebusa se no kure se Nkrumah o iso strategy bi ebubu ahene egu fomo ana divide and rule tactics soft power policy we use here from the base no adwuma ma no e ma ne to aso ana yan kokotoko ahemfie na me nkere wade krobia setu e ka asem bi wa ha se yenti asem wa ha se
enti na Asante daneman
enti Asante ne agayamai
zom enso e ba ye di nemua ba bedru Ghana
zom ba ye nemu kakra ama ye be pili Ghana
nso se bi ansa na eba no na Asante Daneman.
Ghana ansa na Ghana eba no na Asante na edane man.
Ono a me wafa Kwame Chitria Osajma Prempo to me ne lawyer Kwame Chitria ayi Kwame Chitria friend no Joseph Boachi Dankwa. Onso na woni ne din ya de kro Kwame Chitria.
Onso na no de Kwame Chitria no mudin e ya de kro.
E ba so ye pre-independent na ye de ye nka ho.
Ghana mo pre-independence Asante de na nka ye nka ho.
Na ho na wono wo mo be ka se na nka ho be ka ho mi enko unity state ye mo munye baako.
Ono no be ka kire se na esro be ka ho na nyina nkonkoye aban ona so man baako.
Nienya ya otisa broche himani ya prime minister.
Nienya ya onse brochire hene na afi nso no ya prime minister.
Nyina wo Ghana bako so na ya se de ewura fie.
Ne atutu papa so na se ewura fie na empese e beka. Na nso de ewura kan. Ni nyina na ewo abakose mu ewo.
Enti nei ye wo ha ya.
Right. So the question today, your generation baby say so it was it the fault of Nkrumah say we deceive Asantefo and say Asantefo enya wodode man Nkrumah too much ya sabre ye na no wo ho na prempe de wu ya woni bruni amanadu yigina we mi busa say Asantefo nya odode man Nkrumah say ye beta awachi na asam na dane say na Asantefo mpe Nkrumah asem wana asema ye bisa na question kwa na mbisa yo wonim hu bibia drop your comments in the comment section now utie asemwa historian anoche ya wo ye Nkrumah East eka se Nkrumah na motuo nyina dodo na ho odi nyina gina Asante so Asantefo so Asanteman Asantehene so enne se tu di otikra wi ne brawi maso krobia opem so se an sei na asemnete ye ta wachi am ye nya independent ya chichire Ghana na emum Asante be ye say na wa ye say ena ada bi ko so sa asem no obekos na de so bo Asantefo na say wo de so bo bebo ye na Kwame Nkrumah obeye bi a wanye nyina waja hoko bema be bi wa me nyina e asem yi bisa and every country must have a historical foundation. Ghana, we want to know the foundation of Ghana. A dina enipa bia kuku story have distorted historical fact ama ne enipa bia nya wotan dia ma enipa bi se enipa bi na emam enipa bi ne wo ho sesei ye pese ye hunu ni nyina na wotie sansem amede ama wo ya. So what's your judgment on Kwame Nkrumah? Ite no kure se Nkrumah bubu ahenie bebregu fom se be ya wono na mamuo be koso ana esiye mayente na ye nyina yensu ade. This is a reason kotoko hini today ene wasisu ka kira wo se na Asante ti sei na se kan sei ene na adane sei eno nti Asante na ta Nkrumah na ana Nkrumah na wani ni bo hye se Nkrumah na di na dwene bi ti Asantefo ana se wo disappoint Asantefo. This is a reason so na no kure ne se baby yedru sesi we must find out every hidden historical fact today so that tomorrow we won't perish as young people. Yenti ani entwaso.
Without any doubt, say, Ghana Kyebihene. Without any doubt, say, Ghana Kyebihene.
We yet time with me as Asante free Ghana say muda amonyofo asofo when with me as Asante free muda because we Asante free muda time better ye ebebu afa so yani e tra dem popodi ti Asanteman yenya na enye ye we yet time with me as Asante free Ghana say muda amonyofo asofo when with me as Asante free muda because we Asante free muda time better ye ebebu afa so yani e tra dem popodi ti Asanteman yenya na enye ye.
Right. So we are doing all these things say you better try to who and no cre walk Ghana Peninsa ni amamre ni amanimu. After Ghana history, we want to find out. No cre say asamwa atimo buakwafo ewo Nkrumah ho. A da ho today in free ho. Da ho. Uti asamwa anoche eso kan ye. E de fa atimo buakwafo ho. Uti asamo ka de fa Asante ho. What is your view? Point. Mami comment section. This is a reason so. And this is the time for us as a young people. Say we will find out, we will dig all historical facts in Ghana. Yebehunu. Na the idea chiriba we part 1. Yebehwe Enema Nkrumah ye when it comes to traditions and culture in Africa, in Ghana, and the strategy, the soft power policy. Now, Saudi we need to tour. Soft power no. Obi person or replicate and answer or repeat history and we will find out. Now, Nkrumah do baby, why you be Ghana? We be him. Me that say. Me do say. We part 1. Drop your comments. Subscribe to the channel. We will be back with another episode. You're from this year, me that say pa.